We have team coverage for you tonight, starting with Governor Tate Reeves' response to the crisis today. We have that part of the story from Twin States News' Jasmine Stevenson.
Today, numbers of reported COVID cases increased to now over 5,000 cases being reported in a single day, according to MSDH. That jump from Tuesday, which broke the record, is over 2,000 more cases than Tuesday reported, with 31 deaths. The state of Mississippi could very well be in a crisis and hospitals on the brink of failure. Governor Tate Reeves and State Health Officer Dr. Thomas Dobbs held a press conference to give a response to what the plan is to combat this matter.
We're headed towards a new peak, and there are a number of challenges that lie ahead. However, we must continue to focus, and we must continue to remain calm, moving forward with logic, with reason, and by following the data. I ask all Mississippians to do the same. We will get through this new onslaught of COVID just as we have gotten through the 3 previous waves. But we all must work together and do our part so that we can get back to some semblance of normalcy.
Governor Reeves is basing hospital matters on insufficient numbers of staffing available. Through RFQ, Reeves has requested that a number of staffing be brought in to help fill the roles that Mississippi hospitals are missing.
Our challenge, and Dr. Dobbs will certainly hit on this as well, our challenge is much less about the physical aspect of hospital beds or the physical aspect of ICU beds, and it's much more about actually staffing them. I had been advised that Mississippi hospitals have lost some 2,000 healthcare professionals, nurses, etc., within the last year. It is that staffing shortages that we are having to address. We have requested through this RFQ some 73 hospitals having input in this request. We requested 65 physicians, 920 nurses, 41 CRNAs, 59 advanced practice nurses, 34 physician assistants, 239 respiratory technicians, and 20 EMT paramedics.
Reeves says if this request is granted, then it will open up over 700 med-surg beds and over 200 ICU beds that aren't currently staffed right now. Reeves says he has no intention on issuing a mask mandate for the state. More updates to come on COVID numbers as they become available. Jasmine Stevenson, Twin States News, Meridian.